Hello everyone, welcome back. So again, my name is Alex. I'm here with another Young Discoverers lesson, and I am in my work at home casual wear, so I hope you guys are in your at home casual wear as well, probably pajamas, but we're going to be doing something really fun today. Since it is becoming spring and we've been having a few spring rains, the next thing we're expecting to see are a whole bunch of flowers. Now I have a few flowers right here, and what we're going to be doing in this lesson is we are going to be picking apart a flower. So before we get into picking apart a flower, I need you guys to know there are 6 big parts of flowers that you guys will be able to find on most flowers that you guys see out in the wild or in your yard, or maybe your parents can pick up at the grocery store next time they're out. So let's get into this. There are 6 parts. First off, the first ones you might see are going to be petals. Those are the bright, colorful ones that you see on the outside of flowers that make them really pretty. Now, we think they're pretty, but also bugs think they're pretty, like butterflies and bees. And flowers use these bright colors to attract those animals to them so that they can get pollinated. Now, once they get pollinated, they can reproduce, and we have more beautiful flowers. Now, beyond that, they are held up by a big, long stem. Now, that stem is just like this one right here. See, I have pink petals on this flower with a big, long stem that holds that flower straight up in the air. It keeps it going up towards the sun, but also it connects it down to the ground, to the roots, where it can get all its nutrients it might need. Now, on your stem, you're going to see the third big piece, which is going to be the leaf. Now, this is a leaf that I cut off of my flower here, and what its job is it sits right on that stem, and it's big and green to soak up all the sun's energy because it uses the sun and creates sugar, which it then uses as food. Now, beyond that, there are smaller leaves that you're going to find on a lot of flowers right here. They're called sepals. Now, I have some right here on this pot. You're going to see some little green ones. The sepals are going to be used to encase and protect the bud of the flower before it blooms. So they're very important, big protectors of our flowers here. Now, the very last things you guys need to look at are going to be our stamen and our pistil. Now, those are some very interesting words to say, but the pistil is going to be that female part right in the middle, and the stamen is the male parts on the outside. This is what the bugs touch, and parts of that pollen there is going to get stuck to the bug, and they can take it to other flowers. Now, what we're going to do, I said it's going to be pick apart. So I'm going to pick this flower apart and put it where it needs to be. On this sheet right here, you're going to see a lot of boxes that are labeled. This is a leaf, and that says leaves, so I'm going to stick it right there on that box. Now, I'm going to take a petal off of my flower and stick it right where the petal is. Now, once I do that, I can take one of these little stamens here, stick it on a stamen, and then my pistil I can take out, stick it right there, put my other stamen that fell off right there, and let's see, I have a petal, and let's see, oh, I have a stem on this flower, and once I've done that, I have my entire flower picked apart and labeled. So that's what you guys can do the next time you're out on a nature hike or you're in your yard and your flowers are starting to bloom. I want you all to have some fun. Take your flowers apart, look at what really makes a flower, and then if you're feeling really awesome and you love what you've done, I want you maybe to try something fun with it. Do a book press. Preserve those flowers how you can. It's really, really fun. So thank you guys for being here. That was a wonderful, wonderful thing that we just did, even though it was kind of sad, but it was super cool. So thank you guys. I hope you all have fun with this and have a wonderful, wonderful spring with all those beautiful flowers.